question number 6. This comes up a lot. We've already got systems. We don't want to have to rip them out. You know what? We'll just carry on doing what we're doing. This is a big blocker, actually. It can seem very overwhelming that you've already spent a fortune on your CRM system. You've paid consultants to come in and set it all up, and maybe your ERP system. And the reality is we've never ripped any systems out. That's not what intelligent automation is about. Keep using your systems. There's no problem with that whatsoever. The way I describe it is that intelligent automation is often the connective tissue between these systems. By far and away, one of the things that comes up the most when we're doing needs analysis with clients or we're running workshops is, it would be so good if, system A could talk to system B, or, I don't understand. I've got a team of 5 people and all they seem to be doing is typing information from Salesforce into, Xero. So this is where the bottlenecks are. This is where the kind of glue between the system doesn't really exist that well. And that's where intelligent automation can really work. You may have systems that told you that they could talk to each other, and maybe some of the stuff that they do can talk to each other, but I'm yet to see any systems that completely interact and integrate with each other with no human kind of interaction. And this is really where AI and intelligent automation can really help now. This really is the benefit, because now you may be looking at your team or your business, and you're looking at it and you're saying, well, surely AI can do this now. I've got a team of people there and they're moving data from one system into another, or someone has to check something, or it goes into a spreadsheet. Spreadsheets, don't talk to me about spreadsheets. And now the ability to understand the strategy of the business, understand these processes and what's happening, and actually now being able to say, yes, with the brain, with the hands, with the intelligence, we're able to replicate that process or even improve that process and use intelligent business automation to smooth out the process, maybe reduce the amount of people that you need to do that system or that process. Absolutely. So no, 100%. You don't need to rip out your systems. You don't need to look at all that money you've spent as a waste. What you're looking at is how to get more out of your systems, how to get them talking to each other, how to use AI ultimately to be able to look at the data within all those systems and help you make decisions and display that information in a better way, rather than everything being siloed and disconnected. So I hope that answers that question. It really is one that comes up a lot, and it kind of blows people's minds sometimes when they realize, we can keep what we've got. We love this system. But we don't love the fact that we have to have lots of people doing different things to interact with this system. That seems expensive, inefficient, and there is a better way of doing it.